feel that a connection to nature for the young child is key to their development, right? It opens their world up, right? Rather than just being in the classroom, they can take these concepts, these names of things, these ideas, they can take them outside. And they're doing as much learning outside as they are inside. But what outside gives us is the physical aspect, right? They're exploring space in a different way. And spatial awareness, right? How close am I to this tree branch or this very large slippery rock that I might slip down? And it's a deeper connection, I think, right? Because they're out there in the open, they're with the elements, and they can be a little bit freer and I think braver and stronger. And our environment, our campus especially, provides that for the young child, right? We go out with them and we offer them these opportunities to explore within safe limits and boundaries, and we don't ever push them, and we are there watching them the whole time. We're offering a hand almost, right? When the children are climbing up the side of the creek for the very first time, we're down there watching and making sure that they're going to be okay. But that first time they do that is so incredible and so beautiful, and it just opens up a door for them to keep doing that in nature and gives them confidence, and it's good for them, right? I mean, I can see it in here on days where they need to go outside, and we have the ability to do that. We have a very supportive staff that says, yes, take them outside, please go enjoy campus, and we do. And all of the learning happens out there too, right? We're identifying birds and plants, and they're getting to be in the mud and in the grass, and just some days we just lay out there and we just listen to the wind, and it's just a beautiful experience. And I can see how it impacts my students. They're different children outside.